Hey guys, it's Big Elevator Dude 707 here, also known as Elevators of Canada by Big Elevator Dude 707. What I got here is a speaker horn that's used in security alarm systems, but this is a MG Electronics model HS-12SBP, 40 watts, made in Taiwan. And it's a speaker horn, and it's not too loud because I'm connected this to a laptop with another wire to the headphone jack. So I'm going to test it out and show you a sample tone. This is with one of my fire alarm tones that I made. Here we go. I'm going to show you a tone that should go with the speaker. Custom, hang on, let me find it. Security siren synth. Here we go. And here's another one. Pretty cool, eh? I got this from my dad. He got it for $10, which was a pretty good price, and this works perfectly fine. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. There's my IBM 4030-1 right there. Fire alarm horn. And this is one of my speaker horns. Well, I'll say that'll be it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.